In today's video, I will walk you through how to create a clearing account in Xero. Start by going to the Accounting section from the top bar of your Xero dashboard. Click on Accounting to open the menu, then select Chart of Accounts. Once you're in the Chart of Accounts section, look for the Add Account button at the top and click on it. This will open a form where you can enter the details for your new account. Begin by selecting the account type. Set the account type to Current Liability. Next, enter a name for the clearing account. Use a clear and descriptive name, such as Clearing Account. After entering the account name, assign a unique code to the account. Make sure the code is not already being used by another account. Then, enter a description for the account. Add a brief explanation of its purpose. At this point, you should have the account type, name, code, and description entered. Before saving the account, review all of the information you've entered. Check that the account type is set to Current Liability, the account name is correct, the code is unique, and the description is accurate. Once you've checked all the details, click Save. That completes the process for creating a clearing account in Xero. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe if this video helps you.